Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make all images the same size in Google Docs. Have you ever been frustrated by the inconsistent sizes of images in your Google Docs document? Well, you're not alone. Keeping all images uniform in size not only makes your document look more polished, but it also enhances readability and engagement. When your images are consistently sized, the focus remains on the content rather than being distracted by varying dimensions. This uniformity ensures that the message or information conveyed by your images is effectively communicated without any visual distractions. So, let's dive into the process of making all images the same size in Google Docs. First things first, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you're new to Google Docs, simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up your personal or business account, and you'll be ready to go. Now, let's get started by opening a new document. Click on the Blank Document button to begin. Here, you can rename your document to something relevant, especially if you're planning to insert multiple images. To add an image, go to the Insert menu at the top, select Image, and then Upload from Computer if your images are saved locally. Once the image is loaded, you might notice that it could be just the right size, but often the next few images may not match. Some might be smaller, while others could be larger. To make all the images uniform in size, start by clicking on View in the top menu to ensure that the ruler option is checked. This ruler will serve as your guide for resizing. Although Google Docs doesn't offer an automatic feature to resize all images at once, you can still achieve uniformity by manually adjusting them with the help of this ruler. Here's a step-by-step guide to manually resizing your images. 1. Click on the image you want to resize. Using the ruler as your guide, adjust the image so that it fits within the same numerical markers. Let's say around the 4 mark on the ruler. This ensures that your image dimensions are consistent. 2. Repeat this process for each subsequent image. Make sure each one aligns with the same guide marks on the ruler. For instance, if your first image is resized to fit between the 1 and 4 markers, do the same for all other images. Once you've resized all images, visually inspect them by hovering your mouse over each one. They should now appear uniform in size, simplifying the design process and making it easier to arrange and format your images within the document. By ensuring that all your images are the same size, you enhance the visual appeal and consistency of your document, ultimately improving its effectiveness. This method may take a little extra effort, leaving you with a clean and professional-looking document. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to make all images the same size in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to make all images the same size in Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.